Cheers! Such a cozy little Saturday. I really do live life how I want to sometimes. I got back from Thanksgiving and I was kind of just like, it was so fun and it was so nice. And then I got back this week and I was like, oh, I just was kind of unmotivated. And it's just so nice to have the energy today. I feel like I can create and make stuff and I really don't take that for granted. I really try not to because sometimes it's hard to get in that mood to feel creative or feel like you want to make things. Makes me happy. Yay! Alright. What is this angle? Hat number 1. Done! It's cute. I'm making... I think this is the baby. No, this is the baby hat. They're honestly like almost the same size. This one is like slightly smaller. This is supposed to be a little baby hat. So I'm making this for the baby. And then this one's gonna be for the mom, I think. Wait, no, I'm getting confused. I mean, it looks like it's this one. It's like ever so slightly smaller. It's shorter. I'm just like looking at the yarn that I have. When we like put this thick chunky yarn on the little baby and she's like, she can hold up her head. So it's not like I'm putting like this super heavy hat on her head. To get started on one more project, if possible, and kind of see where that takes me. Also, I need to like plan. I have a bunch of like little gifts that I could give as Christmas presents. And I just need to like check and make sure that I like have what I have and that I need to like what I still need to get. I need to order gifts for Louis. I need to order him gifts. It is funny because I feel like I used to be so bad at gift giving, but I think I've gotten a lot better with making more thoughtful gifts and getting gifts that are like in my budget, because I think it's very easy to get carried away and be like, oh my god, like they would really want this, but then it's a little bit out of budget, and then it's almost more stressful because now I've spent all this money and I don't know. I think it depends on the gift, but I think the best thing with gifts, is it in my budget? Is it thoughtful? Or is it something that is just they wouldn't buy themselves necessarily? So, Kristen's gift giving guide, I guess. Yee. And then I have to buy train tickets today. I feel like I'm like in a little shopping / like organization mode, which is fun. It's actually like a pretty nice day out. It's a pretty nice day out, but I have been kind of on the go a lot, and so it's just nice to take this time for myself and kind of organize my thoughts and my things. Yeah, it's just really nice actually. So, bisous. I'll be back in a sec. I just like a lot. Oh yeah. So cool, so good. It looks so good. Recording that I'm watching this. Bears. Good evening. It's Sunday and I was outside for like 3 hours. Yeah, I went on a run. I did a marathon like a couple months ago, and I've been getting back into running just like once a week, and it's so nice and it feels so good. So I did that, and then on my way I found a tiny Christmas tree because we cannot fit any Christmas tree in our apartment. How cute is that? Is that not adorable? It's so thick. see, it just keeps snowing in Paris. Just keeps snowing. Vlogception. Vlogception.
My hair is starting to look like a skater boy.
She said she'd be a little boy.
He wasn't good enough for her.
I'm going to take checks to go sign up for yoga. I'm so excited. Louie and I were gonna do yoga together in the new year. It's like gonna be a fun little couple activity. We did a test class already and it went well, so let's go sign up. Ooh. All right, I just made myself pasta salad for lunch tomorrow. I always love it when I do that for myself, when I like prepare stuff in advance. Tomorrow is kind of a busy day because honestly, like this week, I just feel like before Christmas, I'm like, I gotta do this, I gotta do this, I gotta do this. I feel like I'm running around a little bit. And I need to go shopping for gifts this week. I need to like finish that. And then there are some gifts that I want to make, but I'm not gonna get to it like until later this week. I did finish a couple of crochet gifts this past weekend and I'm gonna send them out on Wednesday. I was in the middle of recording and I was just having issues with, I deleted all my old video files from my SD card and I went on to ChatGPT and it just fixed it in 2 seconds. Like, thank you. That's like what, I don't know if you use ChatGPT, but that's what I like using it for. Is like, I don't have time to scour the internet to figure out why I have this error on my camera. I don't got time for that. Thank you very much. I've done it for like, I don't know, I've used ChatGPT for other things too, like learning how to do functions and stuff on Excel, which is kind of cool. Like vision board kind of stuff, but honestly, like to me, I just feel like it's not creative enough to really help that much with. I've tried to use it for travel too, but like the whole point of, I don't know if other people feel like this, but I feel like the whole point of travel or like getting excited about travel is like, part of it is like, oh my god, I planned this thing, and then you get excited about it and then you go on that thing. So I don't really think ChatGPT is very fun for that. It gives you like a good idea of things, like if I wanted to take this hiking trip possibly, and it kind of gave me a good idea of like maybe routes or things, but then honestly it kind of gets you in this like optimization mode, if that makes sense, where you're like, well, maybe this could be better, maybe this could be better, like maybe this route or maybe this thing could be better, and I don't really love that. Yeah, I'm trying to think what else I've used it for. Really interesting conversation with my friend over Thanksgiving because she is like so against the use of AI and things like that. And for personal use, I wouldn't say I use it a ton, but like sometimes for things like random troubleshooting or things like that, sometimes I'm like, that was great, like 10 out of 10 experience. Oh god, it's just funny. But anyways, I was just vlogging and saying how much I love it when I make lunches for myself before, because honestly, like I was saying, tomorrow I got a busy day. This week it's Christmas, and this week is not Christmas, sorry, it is like before Christmas, but there's a lot of Christmas activities going on. And yeah, I need to go shopping. I need to buy gifts. I did a lot of my gift shopping online already, which is cool. What else? I have a Christmas concert tomorrow for work, at work. I'm in the work choir. So that's happening, and that takes up like an hour of my day, and then I gotta eat quickly before that because we're gonna finish last minute practicing with the alto section. So I needed like a quick lunch. Like I honestly was like, I don't even have time to heat anything up tomorrow before this concert. And then like tonight I usually lay out my outfit a little bit, but like we need to wear red tomorrow, and I have one red item, literally one shirt, and it's like way too big on me. So I was trying to figure out how to style that tonight, and I had to steam it. Oh man, it's just like a lot of adulting that's happening. It's like tomorrow night we're doing like a yoga class date night. It's kind of cute. I'm trying to think what Wednesday is. Wednesday, drinks, my friend's birthday, and Thursday night Spanish, Friday night chill, Saturday I'm going on a train for like a day trip. It's like a one night trip to visit my friend. I'm so excited. Yeah. And then it's like basically Christmas. Then it's my other friend's birthday next week. And then it's Christmas. Honestly, I'm very, very happy with all the fun things coming up. Anyways, that's how my night's going. I'm gonna do the dishes now. All those dishes that are sitting there. Alright. Bisous. Okay. What do we think? I kind of made up this recipe. It is a dark chocolate cherry, and that's like little sea salt on it. Dark chocolate cherry, almond olive oil, almond flour olive oil cookie. And there's like a little bit of sugar, but a lot of maple syrup in there. Not a lot actually, there's not that much, but it looks pretty damn good. Almond flour is a little tricky to work with because it doesn't melt like regular cookies do. And then I have a Parmesan balsamic pasta salad with spinach that I'm gonna eat for lunch. And I already like made all this before. And then I just add the spinach with it. And yeah. So it is cold. It's like the most basic thing I could have said. It's cold. I've been feeling chillin', and like I kind of scheduled in this time for me to just chill. And you know, when you like do, okay, I don't know if I'm the only one that does this, but whenever I do that, I schedule it in, and then I'm like, I don't feel like doing this. Like, I don't feel like chilling. I'm kind of like forcing myself to chill. I don't know. It's been like, honestly, like a month. Like, I feel like I've just been having a good time. It was so fun. I went back to the US. Where did I go? I went to Chicago. Like, I was looking forward. We're gonna stick with this angle. It's just cozy. I went back to Chicago to watch my mother run the marathon. She's so cool. She's so cool. I'm so proud. And that was like a big I was looking forward to that for so long. And also August was amazing. Like month after month, amazing, amazing, amazing. Fall, amazing, amazing weather in Paris. Enjoying myself. not worried about, I don't know, like getting bored, or I was just cozy, you know? A good balance between being here in Paris and being in the US. Like I saw so many people, I had so much fun. And then I was like, okay, Thanksgiving, I had Thanksgiving plans to hang out with my friend Sam and her family. And like, cozy, fun, cute. 2026 in a month. But I'm kind of having this realization that, and I have like nothing planned. Okay, that's not true. I don't have nothing planned. I have things planned, but there's nothing that I basically don't have like any trips or things planned until like April, and that's for a good reason. I'm trying to save money right now. So like big trips are not necessarily something I want to be doing like in the month of January, February, March. And also like saving my PTO for later in the year, because she's a corporate girl and I only have so much PTO to take. I'm trying to think, I'm like, I could talk so much about moving in with a boyfriend or a partner, because this is my second time living with someone. Let me just say, I am like I cannot believe that, how old was I? I was 23, maybe 24. I just can't believe that when I moved in with my ex a couple of years ago, that I thought I was ready, if that makes sense. Like I was ready to be like around that person all the time, but when it comes to like running a household with like a real job, I think that was the biggest issue. I didn't really necessarily we were like not in the same pattern of life. I don't want to get into all this, but now living with someone when you're like in the same pattern of life, it definitely helps a lot more. And I think that just makes sense. Obviously, duh. It's going to be easier if you both either have the 9-to-5 life or you don't. And at the time, I was a student and my ex was working 9-to-5, and there would be so many times where I'd be like, oh, like, you don't have to go to bed, and he's like, I literally have a job in the morning. And now that I live with someone, I actually have so much empathy for my ex, because come on, like, why do you have to go to work? It's so lame. I was a student. I was working very hard, but it was just a different schedule, that's all. So, and now I get it. Like now, stop focusing. Now with my partner, he'll be like, can we really not talk about this right now? Like, can we save it for tomorrow, because we both need to get sleep? And I'm like, sleep is so important. Ugh. Anyways, I'm just feeling kind of like, I don't know if it's low energy. It's more like lack of focus, something like that. So I'm gonna take care of a couple things. All right, bisous. Okay, so he said he doesn't mind being in the video. It is beautiful though. Oh, dream apartment. We're going to a pub. Winter break.
I mean, this one's the best.
Whoa, wait, it's like a chicken.
No, it's so much better than a chicken.